ਸਿਹਤ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਸਿਲਵੀਆ ਨੇ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਦੇ ਹੰਬਰ ਰਿਵਰ ਹਸਪਤਾਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਹਤ ਕੇਂਦਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਇਲਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਦਾ ਐਲਾਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਉਦੇਸ਼ ਲੌਂਗ ਟਰਮ ਕੇਅਰ ਦੇ ਨਿਵਾਸੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਡਾਇਗਨੋਸਟਿਕ ਟੈਸਟਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਤੇਜ਼ੀ ਨਾਲ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਕਰਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਦਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸਿਹਤ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਪਾਇਲਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਿਯੁਕਤੀਆਂ ਲਈ ਆਵਾਜਾਈ ਅਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਨਰਸ ਨੈਵੀਗੇਟਰ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਾਧਾ ਸ਼ਾਮਿਲ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਸੈੱਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਜੋ ਲੰਬੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਦੀ ਦੇਖਭਾਲ ਦੇ ਨਿਵਾਸੀਆਂ ਲਈ ਸੇਵਾਵਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਰਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਦਦ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ।
I want to thank our colleagues Minister Kersner and Parliamentary Assistant Robin Martin for joining us today. And I want to thank our hosts, Humber River Hospital. I know Barb and her team are working and doing tremendous work, not only in ensuring patients get the best care possible, but as leaders of North America's first fully digital hospital, where they take a data-first approach to improving care within the hospital. I've had the opportunity to talk to patients across Ontario, to our doctors and nurses, and to other healthcare workers. And what I have heard, loud and clear, is that the status quo is not working. Too many people are waiting too long to get an appointment or surgery, having to travel too far to get care, and spending too much time trying to navigate our healthcare system. We cannot accept this. We won't accept this. We need to be creative. We need to look at the challenges facing us today and implement innovative solutions. And today's announcement is another example of how our government is working with our partners to help connect you to care. With this initial investment into programs here at Humber River Hospital and the Royal Victoria Hospital in Barrie, long-term care residents are going to be able to get the care they need in their home. This is not only going to improve their quality of life, but it is going to save them from unnecessary trips to the emergency department. It is great news for residents. It's also great news for our hospitals, as it is one more example of how we are working to reduce the pressures on our emergency departments and the hard-working healthcare workers who staff them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Under the leadership of Premier Ford, our government will continue to implement our bold and ambitious plan, and working with our partners to make it easier, faster, and more convenient for you to connect to care no matter where you live in the province of Ontario.
You're talking about the recent what to be released federal standards. Look, let me just say this first and foremost. I will take a look at them. I have in the process of reviewing them. I have no interest in watering down what Ontario is already doing. So if the federal standards don't meet our standards, I have no qualms about saying that we will continue to follow Ontario's high standards. Look, we started transitioning long-term care back in 2018 with the new builds and building new modern homes, but we also went further with the Fixing Long-Term Care Act. We have nationwide, North American-wide leading standards when it comes to our move to 4 hours of care per resident per day, the building of 58,000 new and updated long-term care beds across the province, one of the highest inspector-to-home ratio in North America. So we have some of the highest standards, not only in Canada, but in North America. To say, we'll take a look at what the federal government has come up with, but I have no interest in watering down Ontario's very high standards.